Hello, YouTube, and welcome to Code Cruncher Tech. Today, I will be showing you how to download the Go programming language. So let's get started. So today, like I mentioned, we'll be showing you how to install Golang. To get here, you can go directly to golang.org forward slash DL forward slash, or you can basically go to Google and search for Golang download, and you then can go directly to the first link that's listed there. So, as I showed you here, um, we'll want to download the most latest stable version in order to prevent us from getting any churn or feature changes or anything like that. You can get the version that you want if you don't want to have the stable version, latest stable version. Here you can Windows, Mac, Linux, or you can switch here for whichever version that you like. You can pick whatever download package you want. For me, since I am on Windows, I'm going to download the MSI, which is the Microsoft Software Installer. So I'll download this. While I'll wait for the download to complete, I would like to tell you all to subscribe to the channel. Previously, we've already gone through downloading Python, Git, and now we're downloading the Go language. And next episodes, we'll continue building off of what we've started with, and hope to continue seeing you support the channel. While here on this download page, if it doesn't happen, you can start manually. You can click this link here. And you'll have other resources here like manage Go installations on Go from source. So while my download is going, we can go and see different ways to install. If you're on Linux, you can follow these instructions here, which is you download, you archive, and you will be able to put that into your path. On Mac, open the package and download, and then you have Go version. On Windows, you'll have, again, the MSI file that I just downloaded, and then you can verify it with, if you search through the search box. So let us see where we are with that download. So now the download is complete. I will open it. You might get a box that says it might harm your computer. You can click OK. We know what we're doing here. So that is installing. So here is, hopefully you can see that. Let us zoom in. Hopefully you can see that there. So we got the Go programming language. Welcome to Go. Click on next. You can read through the terms and conditions. Checkbox accept. Next. You can select the destination or the default. Next. And now it's ready to go. So let's install. So if you see here, it'll ask you for your system admin password. And if not, if you're actually already installing as a system admin, it should start right away. So for me, yep, system admin password, put that in. And now it's installing. Validate and install, and it should be good to go after that. It's exciting. It's happening. It's happening. It's installing. It's great. Space requirements. Hopefully this should wrap up here. We'll have the Go programming language installed. So to confirm that after this installation, you can either um, from down here you can search for cmd and start that bad boy command prompt, or if you followed my previous tutorial of Git, you can do git bash here, and you can start that bad boy up. So we'll do that once this completes here. Don't want to do this before the installation happens, because then we might not have it on our path and have to do some manual work here. So still setting up a little bit. This will vary depend on your system, and pretty much repeating what I said. Subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment down below for what's your favorite programming language. Also, leave down a comment down below. And we're back. So this is what it looks like when completed. So now we hit finish. So like I mentioned here, you bring in git bash like we had installed previously. Install that bad boy. That is set up. And look at that, code cruncher tag. Go version. And look at that, 1.1.6. So from here you can do any other command, like go run, etc. Thanks for watching.